Have you ever heard the story of the sugar fairy? It's about a little fairy who lives in a candy box and turns children's dreams into reality to make them happy. Today, let me tell you the fascinating story of the sugar fairy, from which you'll learn an important lesson. But before that, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for the story. Now let's dive into the tale. Once upon a time, in a small village, lived many children. Among them was a boy named Ali. Ali was a kind-hearted and truthful child who always remained ready to help others. One day, while playing with his friends, Ali found a box of sweets. Upon opening it, a tiny fairy emerged. The fairy told Ali that she was the sugar fairy, residing in the candy box to turn children's dreams into reality. Ali was delighted and told the sugar fairy that he wanted to change his friends' dreams into reality. The fairy smiled and explained that she only transforms the dreams of good children. Ali's friend Jawad, however, was not a good child. He was selfish and mischievous, always causing trouble. Jawad heard about the sugar fairy and demanded Ali to ask her for a big palace and lots of sweets for him. Ali tried to convince Jawad to become a better person, but Jawad didn't listen. He threatened to expose the sugar fairy as a fake if Ali didn't fulfill his wish. Feeling distressed, Ali decided not to change Jawad's dreams into reality because he wasn't a good child. The sugar fairy appreciated Ali's decision and gifted him with a promise to always help him. When Jawad learned that Ali refused to ask the sugar fairy for his extravagant wishes, he became furious. Jawad started a fight with Ali, but Ali tried to explain to him with love. Eventually, Jawad understood and apologized. He promised Ali that he would become a better person. Ali and Jawad were both grateful to the sugar fairy. They learned from her that doing good deeds and helping others are essential. The sugar fairy story teaches us that the dreams of good children always come true. Therefore, let's always do good, help others, and strive to be better individuals. Thank you for reading this story. Stay tuned to our channel by subscribing and liking the video for the next story. Goodbye.